I was up late reading all my latest emails, but went to bed with the comforting feeling that I was finally on top of my inbox and armed with new ideas to move my business forward, starting the next day. Now, I woke up with energy, having finally had a good night's sleep after months of learning how to build an internet business. I fired up my computer and turned on my email first thing as I did every day. I even remember the taste of coffee in my mouth, but then I saw it. The number 62. Let's get back to that in just a moment. You know, setting up and running an online business is potentially the fastest and best way to take control of your financial future and install a cash machine in your life that prints money on demand. Kind of like the U.S. government, if you know what I mean. Apart from the financial rewards of running a successful online business is the time and freedom it provides. Everything revolves around your time. Work, success, pleasure. The successful business owners have a lot of time to do the things they love, visit the places very few see, and work on their own schedule. What you don't often hear about running an online business, though, is the major obstacles and hardships that will stand in your path, testing you to the last inch of your sanity. It sucks your time and pulls you left then right. Now, time is a human's greatest commodity, and every single minute, this commodity of ours is getting reduced. Around the same time that I saw that annoying number 62, the successful business owners were spending their time as they chose to, but not me. I was a slave. I came up against an obstacle that day, which nearly drove me to quit. Number 62. Have you guessed what it is yet? That was the number of new, unread emails in my inbox since I went to sleep just 6 hours earlier. My mind quickly cluttered up again, and the overwhelming feeling became too much to handle. I had to do something. I needed a way of sorting marketing list emails from important business emails and then emails from family members and friends. I was so sick of missing emails that I really wanted to read because I had information overload from more unwanted emails pouring in. I had read that a clean workspace is a clean mind, and a clean mind allows creativity and productivity, both vital to being successful in life. For months, I had been waking up and reading emails, and the more I read, the more came in. How can I still keep up with everything vital? All the great information people sent without having to deal with those that shared or sold my email, filling my inbox up with unwanted spam. I'm not a procrastinator, and I go after what I want, but I felt enslaved to my email client with no progress, only treading water. Does that sound familiar? Well, that day, waking up, ready to finally take action, and seeing 62 new unreads in just 6 hours was the final straw. I did research into how I can manage these emails in an ordered way, a way to ensure maximum productivity, and to get rid of this information overload from my email box alone. What I discovered enabled me to go from 0 to 7-figure online businesses in less than a year. It was so powerful, it enabled me to see what I wanted to see, when I wanted to see it, and take control of my inbox and with it, my time and my life.